Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious smoked mac and cheese. Nice and cheesy, and then you gotta have that crust just like grandma made it. Now this is gonna kind of be like a hybrid cook, and I'm gonna show you how grandma would make it but on the smoker, and then we're gonna kind of switch some things up. Let me show you what we're working with. We're gonna go down to my workstation so I can get you in the game. All right, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna make us a roux. Going in with a little bit of butter, and we'll let this melt. And then we're gonna go in with a couple of tablespoons of flour while that butter melts. And you probably ask, why would you go with a roux? And here's the reason why you wanna go with a roux. First, you wanna cook the flour taste out of this, but this roux right here, what it's gonna do is gonna help your cheese sauce not clump up. And then if you cook it right, this will add some additional flavor. So it's like you're cooking a gumbo. Hey, it's all about that roux. The roux is the base of it. You do it right, and you got something absolutely delicious. So what we want to do is we want to cook this, and then we can let it go till it's about like a chocolate color if you want to. And then that'll give you a nice little base for your mac and cheese. The key to this is you want to keep everything moving so it doesn't stick, nor will it burn on you. So I'm not trying to make a gumbo today, so I'm not gonna go to the chocolate brown color that I would go to, but it's smelling good and I think I'm in good shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add in my buttermilk. So I'm gonna reduce my heat too, and I'm gonna add, that was a cup, and then I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup more of buttermilk. And then right before we add in our cheese, I got some more ingredients, and this is why this is gonna be one of the best smoked mac and cheese you ever made. I got me some cream cheese. This is chive and onion flavor. We're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of that to this, and I got some sour cream. Add a couple of tablespoons also of that, and I got just enough heat to keep this melting, and then we'll get like a smooth, really smooth texture. Now once everything is combined, hey, it's cheese time. So what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of cheese at a time, and I'm working with cheddar and Monterrey Jack today. And then we'll allow our cheeses to melt, and then we'll continue to add some, because I want to add about 75% of my cheese to this pot. Now you don't want to work over too high of a heat, because that's when things will start separating on you. And like I said, you want a velvet, smooth cheese sauce and not a clumpy cheese sauce. Now we got our cheese sauce just about where we want it, so we're going to add in our seasonings. And this is garlic and onion powder going in at the same time. Then I got some of my baptizing Cajun seasoning. And then a little bit of ground pepper, and get everything seasoned up. All right, our cheese sauce is ready to go, and it should look something like this. Look at that. Nice, velvety, and smooth. We're in the game. Now we're gonna put this over the noodles that's been cooked al dente, and get everything mixed in. No cheese sauce left behind, so get you a spatula like so. Get all that cheese sauce out. Now we're gonna get everything mixed and incorporated. And because you're not using like any eggs or anything like this, really this recipe doesn't need to be taken long out on the smoker. You just want to get enough smoke on it to get some smoke flavor. And then I'm gonna show you a little trick that's gonna make your mac and cheese look absolutely delicious. Let me get this in a pan. Let's go out to our smoker. Got the smoker going about 225. You can see got some smoke rolling. Let's go ahead and get this on that smoker. Yes, sir. So what we'll do is we'll let the smoke up, come out in about 10 minutes, give it a stir, place some more cheese on it, and then I'm gonna show you how to make it look absolutely delicious. Hey, we in the game. So we got a nice little small flame going. This is what you need. You don't need anything raging because we want to get like a little slow smoke going. Yes, sir. Clean fire. So we've been going for a little over 10 minutes. And like I said, what we want to do at this time is get this mixed in. And then what I'm going to do now is add my cheeses in. And this is my finishing layer. Then we're gonna let this go for about another 15 minutes or so. Yes, sir, in the game. So we've been going for about 15 minutes, and this is exactly what we want right here. We want that cheese to start melting. Now we don't want to really smoke this out because you know you want a little hints of smoke. So what I want to do is I want to take this, I'm gonna place this in my oven, and I'm gonna get this looking like that nice crispy mac and cheese that you enjoy from grandmama. No breadcrumbs, just a nice delicious crust. Now this step right here, you want to keep an eye on your mac and cheese because it's a fine line between a nice crispy crust and something burnt. Now, hey, let me tell you, it smells absolutely delicious. Hey, you can smell the smokiness, and then it's almost like that baked mac and cheese top right there. Hey, let me show it to you. Yes, sir. It looks like grandma cooked us in her oven Sunday dinner. Yes, sir. This mac and cheese look absolutely delicious. Hey, let's get us a little scoop. And let's take a look at this right here. Oh, yes, sir. Nice and cheesy. Nice and cheesy. And then you got to have that crust, just like grandma made it in her kitchen. But it's smoked. And then you put that thing on that broiler. Hey, cheers, fam. Now that got a nice hint of that smoky flavor, and then it's almost like you got that baked mac and cheese too. That crust, I'm telling you, that's where it's at. Nice, it's delicious. Hey, cheers again. Now, if you're new to my channel, you like content like this, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share with your family and friends, and tell them, hey, Coach Ike with Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, you already know what your boy Ike is about to do. Hey, I'm about to get back in the game, call some plays, and smash into the smoked mac and cheese. Hey, yes, sir. We're in the game.